Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your GIS News for Wednesday, December 18.
We received many suggestions as to how we can improve the regulations. I have listened.
Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson announced Tuesday that several changes would be made to the tobacco control regulations, which became effective on July 15.
The health of Jamaican people remains non-negotiable, and we will not relent on this. Therefore, despite the concessions we have made, the ban on smoking in specified public places will remain in place.
The list of smoke-free places now includes all outdoor service and dining areas, indoor areas, parks and heritage sites, but excludes parking lots, gateways and driveways. These are in addition to previously announced specified public places where smoking is banned. Meanwhile, businesses will be permitted to have outdoor smoking areas that meet certain conditions. Homes and private vehicles used for employment purposes will no longer be included in the prohibitions that apply to workplaces. And while graphic health warnings remain a requirement for tobacco product labels, it's no longer required for individual product units. The minister says the fines for individuals who breach the regulations will be lowered.
Persons found in breach of the tobacco regulations will not be given a criminal record. However, the sanctions imposed will ensure compliance.
In other health news, work on the multi-million-dollar cardiac wing at the Bustamante Hospital for Children is on track for a mid-February completion date. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson made the observation while touring the facility's construction site Friday. The 30,000 square foot facility will be the only pediatric cardiac center in Latin America and the Caribbean and will be able to accommodate 10 beds.
I was extremely pleased with the pace of the work and the quality of the work that I saw. And this new cardiac wing that is being constructed represents the best of what we will have in the Caribbean.
The national minimum wage will be increased early in the new year. Effective January 6, the new minimum wage for a 40-hour work week will be $5,600, coming from $5,000. The amount paid to industrial security guards will also increase from approximately $7,300 to more than $8,000. Security guards will also see a higher rate for their laundry and firearm premium allowances. Labor and Social Security Minister Derek Elliott told Parliament Tuesday that Cabinet approved the increases on Monday.
The minimum wage is the absolute floor below which employers must not pay. This country have men and women of conscience in business, and I am strengthening the appeal to all the men and women of conscience who run business in this country and have the ability to pay more, to pay more.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force welcomes an additional 214 constables who graduated from the Police Training Academy on December 13. It's the fourth cohort joining the service for 2013 and is in keeping with the government's priority focus on increasing the percent of the population that's engaged in national security. As part of the sustained fight against criminal networks, National Security Minister Peter Bunting says there is also a commitment to advance the professionalism of the police force.
The transformation and modernization thrust cannot succeed without the cooperation and commitment of every new recruit and a change of culture of the in-service personnel.
And finally, the government of Jamaica has congratulated local artist Tessanne Chin on winning Tuesday's finale of American talent show The Voice. Immediately following her performance, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller, Culture Minister Lisa Hanna, and State Minister with responsibility for entertainment Damian Crawford all sent out congratulatory messages to Chin. Describing her as an ambassador, Prime Minister Simpson Miller said Tessanne had joined the ranks of a long list of outstanding Jamaican achievers. Mrs. Simpson Miller also thanked Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora for helping Tessanne win the competition and said a larger celebration was appropriate. For her part, Minister Hanna credited the Jamaican and Caribbean diaspora for drumming up support for Chin and influencing Tuesday's outcome. And Minister Crawford said Tessanne's win was a well-deserved victory and called her a phenomenal woman and remarkable artist. And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.